Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to install door sill protectors. So we have two for the front, two for the back, and as you can see from the picture, this is the look we're going for and the installation area we're going for. So let's go to the car and get started. So the protector will go right here. It's going to start right here and go all the way up. We're going to remove the rubber seal here and put it all around, sort of on the inside here as well. Just make sure before you start you clean this, dry it up. Just don't mind all this mess. My car's a bit dirty, but make sure you clean this up. One thing I wanted to show you why protectors on the inside and outside are really important is you can see these scratches as you climb into the car. Your shoes over time, as they hit this area up, it will scratch. So the rubber gasket is removed. It's as easy as just pulling it towards you, and then all you need to do now is line this up. So this cover is going to start right here. It has to start from this edge like this, and it's going to go all the way up to the front. This is what it should look like. Put it all, I did it very slowly. You just kind of go at a steady pace, cover both sides right here, and now we can just put this back. It will look a lot nice if the car was clean, but you know what, it's a cheap way to get a carbon fiber look on your dorsal area. Looks pretty sick. The rear one is going to be a bit tricky because of this bevel or this sort of transition edge right here. It goes all the way down here, and the cover will go right on top of this. If I get the cover here, because there's no instructions with it, so the way they've shown it is it kind of starts back here and goes all the way to the front up to here. Let me remove the rubber gasket. So I've just start installing the rear protector, and as you can see, you just have to take your time because it's kind of hard to make it work. The protector is actually a bit long, so you're gonna have to sort of tuck it under, and then as you go along very slowly, you're gonna align it like this. You're gonna straighten it out as you go along. It's very hard to make a video with one hand while doing it, but just take your time, remove this slowly, and line it up as you go. There we have it. It's installed. You just have to push it in really hard in this area because there's sort of a gap between the two surfaces, or sorry, there's a height variance between the two surfaces, so you have to really push it in. I wanted a uniform look from here onwards out. That's why I started up here, but if you wanted, you could, to cover this area, you could move the starting point right up to here, and then it will cover a little bit more of this area. But I just sort of wanted a uniform area starting from here. Here we go, all done. That's the front driver's side door, rear passenger door. The opposite side looks really sick, kind of has a shiny color to it. In the front passenger door, I just gotta clean the car up, and I think it'll look really sick. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.